Hi guys. So I would not like to waste too much of your time. So let's quickly look at how you can actually set exam question using ChatGPT, and you don't need to type it out. It can actually help you to put it in a Word document. So I'm going to be showing you step by step where you can actually achieve this. So stay tuned. Let's start. Go to your Google Chrome as you can see on my screen. So just type ChatGPT. So I already typed it several times, so Google Chrome is going to bring it out. So let's go there. Just press enter. So wait for it to load. So it might take time to load, but just wait for it to load. It's because I've already signed into ChatGPT. That's why we are having the home page immediately. So if you have not signed in before, you can actually put in your Gmail account and just log in, sign up and log in. So once you log in, once you log in, you will be in this particular page. So now the next thing you are supposed to do is that you type in your prompt. So you can also copy my prompt, but I'm going to put it in the video description so that you can have access to it. So let's start. So I am a class teacher. I'm a class teacher in Nigeria. Sorry. And so not waste of our time. So I've written it. So let's just tell ChatGPT to put it in Word document for us. Put it in Word so that I can download it. It's currently working on it, so you just have to be patient. Wow. So it's not even up to a minute. So let's confirm what ChatGPT has done. So the file has been downloaded, as you can see here. Primary 1 examination. So let me open the file so that we can see what ChatGPT has done. This is actually ChatGPT 4. It is free for you to access. Let me click on the link so that we can check what ChatGPT has done. So let's check it out by going to the download button over here. Let's check it. So we have the primary 1 exam question. Can click on it. Let's wait a bit. Wow, this is what ChatGPT has generated for us. So let's go to it. We have science, character education, mathematics, English. Wow. So it is always advisable to go to whatever ChatGPT has generated for us in order for us to confirm it is what we are expecting from it. And make sure you like and share and subscribe for you to get notification for my upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.